and pag-usapan natin yung legit. Napawaw ako dito kay GoTime ha. Specifically dito sa product niyang si More Time. If you have More Time, which is a unique pautang product ni GoTime, I'm sure you've seen this button. Yung convert. Ay, kayo ha. Kung ano na yung iniisip nyo. It's a legit way of getting cash out of your More Time credit. Natin, installment to si More Time. Pero pwede pala siyang ma-convert to cash. But you need to watch this video kasi meron po siyang terms and conditions that you need to be aware of because it's not the convert to cash na nakasanayan natin. And this one, it's legit talaga. Hindi dadaan ka pa ng trader na babawasan ka ng kung ano-anong fees. This one is legit talaga na si More Time yung nag-o-offer dito. Let's talk about it. Keep watching. Hello everybody! Welcome back to another vlog. It's Ate Red here at dito pinag-uusapan po natin yung iba't ibang mga platforms na pwede nating utangan. Online loan apps, digital bank loans, and similar. Pero I just want to remind you guys na yung focus natin is financial literacy and responsible borrowing. Siyempre, masarap pag-usapan yung legit. So we're gonna talk about More Time, which is a unique pautang product ni GoTime. And paano ko siya nagustuhan, guys? Anong meron dito? So yun yung itatopic natin. But this video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience because personal po ako may GoTime. Nagkaroon ako ng GoTime because ang ganda ng perks niya. The more you use it, the more you get points na pwedeng ma-convert into cash. And yung ginagawa ko is that, na-convert ko to cash, sinisave ko siya, para patuloy siyang earn ng interest. Napaka-seamless yung gamitin, guys, kasi it works well outside of the country. Debit card, ATM card. I really love using those features. Mas natuwa ako, guys, kasi nagkaroon ako ng More Time account. If you haven't seen my old video, dito po ko po dinitalye on how I had to join the waitlist para magkaroon ng offer ng More Time and how long ako naghintay, and when finally I got the invite, it was worth it para sa akin ha, based on my experience, dahil nagkaroon ako ng credit limit na 20,000 pesos na hindi po siya nawawala. Basta good standing lang yung account mo, hindi mo siya kinamit. Ganito dapat yung mga credit limit natin. Hindi po sila dapat nawawala kung hindi natin ginagamit. Diba ganun yung OLA? At least dito, kung kailan mo gamitin, andun siya. Basta wala kang bad credit history. Naka-receive ako ng email kay GoTime about this More Time feature na yung purchase ko pwede kong i-convert to cash. More Time allows you to make purchases sa mga partner merchants online man or offline, yung scan QR, and convert them into installments. Pero yung unique dito kay More Time kasi yung first payment mo, babayaran mo. So, and you just need to worry about the remaining installments. Para siyang down payment ni Home Credit. But I like this better because mas mababa yung interest niya. And it's more straightforward. Para siyang pay in 4 ni Maya dati. Okay. They will let you know kung pwede mo nang i-activate. And you can get up to 50,000 pesos na credit limit. And mine was 20,000 when I activated it. I recently purchased this DJI na microphone. Dalawa po because this is the camera bundle. Sa Shopee ko po binili. Napadebit ako kasi guys nag-sale. And I took advantage of my vouchers. So from 6,000 yung mic na to or 5,000 something with shipping fee, nabili ko lang siya sa 4,000. Free shipping pa, 4,082. Tandaan nyo yung price na sinabi ko. They told me that I can convert such purchase into installments. Pero dumiretso na ako sa app, guys. And napaklik ako dun sa aking More Time. Scan QR, that's how you use it. Pay early, and then merong convert. Ito po yung pipindutin natin. So, it's a legit way of getting cash from your More Time na hindi po siya dadaan ng questionable na methods na yung mga nagpi-PM sa inyo sa Facebook. Pag click mo ng convert, mapupunta ka dun sa transaction mo na qualified for this. At lumabas po yung Shopee transaction ko, which was 4,082. If i-click mo yan, lalabas po yung kanyang window or yung kanyang presentation kung ano bang meron dito. Sa taas, 20,000. And if I grab that offer, if magko-convert ako, I'm gonna have 16,633.58 left. Dun sa 4,000, kasi bayad na yun eh, ikakatas niya yung installment fee ko, which is 406 total kasi 2.49 siya per month. So, times 4. Ginawa ko na yung transaction. Pero kung hindi, it's gonna have a different calculation. At yung matatanggap ko na lang will be 2,959.86. Transparent po siya. Meron siyang 4 na installment based dun sa 4,000, sa transaction na yun, na yung kalalabasan is 1,122 per installment. Pero since yung style ni More Time is that yung first mong payment is to be taken out or kailangan mong bayaran, so kakatas niya yung first na payment, yung first na 1,000 122. At kung hindi mo man maintindihan kung paano siya nag-arrive sa ganitong mga numbers, at least makikita mo dun sa taas na yung matatanggap mo is 2,009. Kasi baka mag-expect ka na yung matatanggap mo is 3,000 or 4,000. Dito makikita mo na magkano yung ma-receive mo. Just click the next button and on the next page, summary. So yun, paulit-ulit ba eh. Gusto nyo makasigurado na alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo dito. And just click continue kung gusto mong patuloy at magpipin ka. Meaning, nagbigay ka ng consent, you agreed to the transaction, you agreed to the terms and conditions. It's digitally signing your contract with GoTimes More Time. Processing na, and sabi niya, na-confirm niya yung transaction at kaagad kong natanggap sa GoTime account ko, GoTime wallet ko, yung 2,000. At nag-update na rin yung account, which shows na yung natitira kong credit limit is this, and pwede ko siyang gamitin sa future More Time transactions. Bayad na yung first installment ko. Yung next kong payment is July, and it's gonna be 1,122 for the next 3 payments. Multiple uses. Hindi yung you can only have one loan at a time. So if ever magkaroon ako ng pangangailangan, I still have 16,000 to use. And I think personal opinion ko, I think this is a good feature. Naintindihan naman na we need funding, but kung pinilit natin yung isang bagay na hindi siya intended use ng isang bagay, doon tayo nagkakaproblema. And sometimes, baka matiway, iiyak ka na lang, goodbye credit limit, may babayaran ka pa. That is why, discourage po yung papakonvert ng ganito gamit yung mga third parties or yung mga non-legit na mga ways para iwas po problema. Yung concern nito is para makaiwas ng scams. And speaking of scams, meron po tayong reminder para iwas po tayo sa mga lenders na nang sa scam gamit yung advance payment fee. Kailangan mag-deposit of 2,500 para ma-release ang loan? Legit lender ba yan? Or baka nangongolekta lang ng fee? Fill it in a minute. Presented by One Hand is a series of financial literacy videos that focus on finance topics all within 60 seconds. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga OLA scam warning signs that every borrower should know. Karamihan sa kanila ay nag-aalok ng loan through Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp. Tapos gagawa ka nila ng group chat, mag-share sila ng mga screenshots ng mga GCash transactions. Huwag kayong maniwala dyan. Sign number 2, yung company nila ay hindi registered as lending or financing company sa SEC. Pinaka-red flag sa lahat, humihingi sila ng advance fee, membership fee, admin fee, or money down bago i-process yung loan. Saan? Na bawal po na mangolekta yung isang lending ng advance fee para i-release yung loan. Ugaliing mag-check sa website ni SEC para makasigurado na yung kumpanya ay rehistrado. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you on the next one.
Finlet in a minute.
Huwag kayong ma-confuse dyan sa advance fee na para sabihin nyo, bakit sa GoTime advance fee naman to? This one is very transparent. Hindi po siya tulad ng mga scammers dyan na hihingin yung advance fee pagkatapos iba-block na kayo. Dito talagang pauutangin kayo. Ito yung model niya. Mag-a-agree kayo dito. Nasa inyo po yung option kung tatanggapin nyo o hindi. Pero this one is legit naman. May contract. At hindi ka iba-block kung sakaling tatanggapin mo yung offer ni GoTime. Kung meron ako nakalimutan banggitin kaysa or meron kayong tanong, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you on my next vlog. That's all for today. Bye-bye!